Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 8085 addressing modes. There are different addressing modes which are supported by 8085 microprocessor. Let's discuss all of them in detail. In this we have addressing modes and types of addressing modes. This is the content of the slide. First of all, addressing modes. What is the meaning of addressing mode? Addressing mode is the way in which the operand is taken from register or memory, that is named as addressing mode. Means how the operand is taken out from register or memory. Whether it is taken from register or memory, that is considered or obtained by the use of addressing modes. There are different ways to get the operands, either from register or from memory. There are some operations like add, subtract, move, load, store. All of these operations require operands, and operands will be in the memory or register. Operands can either be in the memory or register. Based on the addressing mode, it will be fetched from the location specified. Immediate addressing mode. The first one is immediate addressing mode. It means the operand is specified within the instruction itself. Means here we have an example of instruction, that is MVI A, 15H. In this instruction, A is the register and 15H is the data. So this data is transferred to the register A, and this is specified in the instruction itself. Next example is ADI3EH. In this, the instruction is add immediate and 3EH is the data. 3E is the data, H specifies the hexadecimal number, and it will get added with the contents of register A, that is accumulator itself. Next is register addressing mode. The meaning of register addressing mode is that we are taking the operand from register, processor register. The operand is specified with in one of the processor register. Let's take an example of move CA. Move is the instruction or the operation where CA are the operands. The content of register A is moved in the register C. Next example is add B. In this case, content of register B will be added with the accumulator register, and the result is stored in a accumulator register itself. Next is direct addressing mode. The direct addressing mode consists of instruction in which the address of memory location is specified. Means here an example of load accumulator. The instruction is LDA 2805. In this, 2805 is the memory location from which the content has to be loaded into the register A. Another example is STA 2803. STA stands for store accumulator. 2803 is the memory address and H specifies the hexadecimal number. Next is indirect addressing mode. Now, the difference between direct and indirect is that in the previous one, we have load the content of the location specified, but in case of indirect, the content of the address specified gives the address of the operand. Means 2802, in this instruction 2802 is the address of operand. Move A, 2802 means 2802 contains the address of operand. It moves the data from memory location specified by the location 2802 to register A. Such representation done by twice square brackets Double square brackets represents the indirect addressing mode. Next is implied addressing mode. Implied addressing mode means here it doesn't require any operand. Means now there is no need of operand. The instruction or the operation itself specifies the operand. Means CMA and CMP. CMA means complement accumulator. Here operand is already specified that accumulator is the operand. CMP, compare the contents of the accumulator. So implied addressing mode means in which we doesn't require any of the operand. The operand or the data is specified by the opcode itself. These are the references for the slide which I have just taught you. Here I took the references from Gonger and Rafiq Usman. These two books I have referred for these slides. Thank you everyone.